Alright, so here is the Mavic Air 2 car charger. You can use this with the Mavic Air 2S, which I have right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up from the top. There is some plastic at the top that keeps it nice and sealed and safe. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and it opens up fairly easily. And then I'm going to go ahead and just slide it out. It's supposed to slide out fairly easy. I don't know why it's... Alright, maybe it takes a little muscle. Alright, so it's slid open right there, and inside is the charger, classic car charger to plug in to the cigarette lighter. They don't make those anymore, so at least I don't think they do, but this is the slot that used to be called the cigarette charger where you plug it in. And here is the part where you can attach it to the battery or strip. I'm just going to go ahead. Plugs in just like that to the battery. Disconnects. And here it is. This is the car charger. Hope that was helpful.